Hi, I'm Tadao of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today, I'm gonna update the 93 Jeep Cherokee camper project. So today I completed the bed structure. So it took about 3 weekends. So it's relatively a large portion of this project, and I completed the job today. So I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, I decided to put the wood stain, and this looks much better than the without the wood stain. So I'm gonna work on the bed tomorrow. So I made a board. This is full length. I cut it half. This portion I'm thinking about having flipping like this, so that you can access the storage room. This half I'm gonna make it flip that way. So this is the plan. That's why I'm cutting this half. Okay, this is one done. I'm gonna make 3 more. Okay, I made 4 plates, and I'm gonna sand these and also coat with the wood stain. Okay, I put the board like this, so this board, it will be fixed. This will swing this way, and the other one go the other way. So I'm gonna make the front part so that we can extend the legs toward the driver's seat and passenger seat. Okay, 2 swing plates are finished. Okay, this is how it looks. So I think I can lay down. Probably fit. Alright, so I'm gonna sand this and put the wood stain and put it together. Okay, I painted the top board with the wood stain, and I'm ready to take this frame out. But before doing that, I'm gonna put this rail, and so that I can insert the draw board. Okay, no, it's fine. Looks fine. Good. Okay, these are the board I painted with the wood stain, and now I'm gonna put everything together. So the small boards gonna be just drilled down with the tapping screws, and that the flipping board I'm gonna use hinges, and also these are the front side two boards. These are the hinges I'm gonna use. I'm gonna make a 3/4 hole so that we can pick up the inserting finger in the hole. Okay, I installed everything like this, and this is the completion of the bed structure. So I have the drawer here, and this will be, if we open and do the camping outside, this will be the kitchen space. So I think I'm gonna have the burners, kitchen stove burner here, water here. The reason on the right side for the fire thing is that the fuel intake, actually the inlet is on the left. This is the fuel, so in case we have some like a fume coming out, so it's better to have the fire on the right. So that's my thought process. And this guy, I can open this, so if I don't open the latch and just cook inside, I can access the burner from here. I can access the kitchenware here, and going around one side. So this is the extension for the bed. This can also flip, and also I have the storage space here like this. This is also another storage space, and this also flips. Okay, so this is the completion of the bed structure, and I'm gonna put the portable toilet there behind the driver's side, and I'm gonna organize everything. Also put some kitchen stuff, cooking stuff here, water, and next week actually I have to go drive up to Portland, so I'm gonna see how it goes with the camping inside the Jeep Cherokee while going up to Portland. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye.